Alright, I'm not showing you because I can't open it and I don't know where my scissors are. But it's pink and it looks soft. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So today's a fun video. I was actually gifted this Glossybox for the month of September. Thank you so much, Glossybox, for sending this my way. I will have all of their information linked below, so you guys can check out all of their glossy boxes, all of the information if you guys are interested in signing up after this video. But let's go over the box first, like what it is on their website. So it says that you can start a subscription service at $17. It is a beauty subscription box. They also have a skincare glossy box, it looks like. Now it says that their previous monthly boxes are $21. And it looks like they're actually doing an advent calendar as well, which is worth over $550. You can purchase it for $89 or non-subscribers for $99. So it says that you can choose your plan starting at $17.50 per month. Get your glossy box. It has 5 new beauty products chosen by their experts delivered to you each month. I'm not exactly sure what the total of each box is, but it says there's 300,000 members, so I mean that's pretty cool. So let's go ahead and go over to this. I already have done a makeup look for the day. This is actually in a tutorial coming up on my channel. So I'm not going to be trying anything on, but I will be doing a quick unboxing for you guys. So it comes with a little pamphlet. This is September's and it says it's spa time, and oh, that's super cute. Oh, this is so cute. Y'all, if you don't know me, I love photography. And, like, this is the kind of photography. Glossybox. Check out my Instagram. I'm available for hire. I mean, I like photography. So it shows you everything that you got here on the side. So I'm going to quickly go over each product and then show it to you and let you know the price, and I'll give you the box total at the end. So let's see. The first thing is that's super fancy. Melusine Cosmetics. This is the Magic Jade Roller. This is $21, and this is, you know what? I have like 5 of these and I use them all the time. I actually don't have a jade roller though. You're so tiny. So I have a whole bunch of like pink ones and I have a black one, but I don't have a jade one. It's so tiny! You're cute! Yeah, I love these. If you roll up and away from the face, it's better for tightening, toning, refining. You don't snag your skin and get wrinkles. So go up the neck, go up the forehead and away, go up and out on your cheekbones. So yeah, if you use serums or anything that you really want to push deeper into your skin, then these are great. And Jade, I believe, I heard this somewhere, I'm not sure if this is true, but I heard it a long time ago that Jade stays at one temperature all the time, no matter what. That's probably not true, so don't go off of anything I just said. But it's supposed to stay constantly cool, and it feels wonderful right now. Moving on to the next item. Rosen Skincare Breakout Spot Treatment, and this is $12. So this is a peppermint oil acting as an antimicrobial for large and active bumps, and the spot treatment is the perfect solution for those annoying and sometimes painful breakouts. Okay, so I'm actually super excited about this because I don't know if you guys can tell. You can't because I am a wizard and I put fake freckles over my pimples. Because my mask, like where I wear my mask, it breaks me out right where it rubs. And I have these teeny tiny little clusters of pimples that have not gone away because my mask is just constantly rubbing there. So I just, you know, dot some freckles, and y'all can't tell. But this is going on my face tonight because I want to dry these up, and they suck so bad. Okay, the next thing is Vitamasks, and this is the Ruby Sheet Mask, and this is $7. And this has goji berry, vitamin C, and antioxidants that are blended together to restore tired, dull skin in this vegan-friendly mask. So, here's that. I really want to put this on, actually. Kind of just want to go take all this makeup off and do a nice spot. Well, it's a good thing this is a spa package, huh? Aw, it's like you know my soul. So there is that. There's just one, by the way. There isn't multiple in there, so one-time use for that. The next thing is Daily Concepts Daily Beauty Headband. And this is 12. Oh my gosh, I got a headband? No way. Oh, y'all, I've been wanting one of these forever. I always have to pin my hair back, especially when I powder. Like when I powder, like it's like powder dandruff all up in my hair. So this is gonna be super nice. Actually, let me show it to you. I do want to see this one. I can't. All right, I'm not showing you because I can't open it and I don't know where my scissors are. But it's pink and it looks soft. Next thing is Banila Co. Miss Flower and Mr. Honey Cream. This is a power couple in a jar. It has royal jelly and yellow flower. Yellow flower? Is that like a really cool flower for skincare? I wish they would have gone into more detail about yellow flower. It provides moisture while also recharging and rejuvenating distressed skin. So it says it also doubles as a makeup primer. So here is that Miss Flower and Mr. Honey. Feels kind of greasy when you dip into it. Let's see. I wonder if it leaves a greasy feel to your skin after you put it on. This smells like literal honey. I don't say literal figuratively. I say it literally when I say it. It smells like literal honey. It smells wonderful. It actually went nice into my skin, and it doesn't have any kind of shine or greasy feel to it, so that's nice. Codex Beauty Bia or Bia? Bia exfoliating? I think they misspelled that. Exfoliating. Bia exfoliating. Oh, mouth. Say that 5 times fast. This face wash lightly exfoliates and tones skin, making it gentle enough for daily use. Use? What was that? Jojoba grains provide a non-irritating exfoliation, while castor oil helps clear pores and impurities. So here is that Codex. Oh, this is really tiny. It's a very small face wash, so I feel like this might be like a travel size. Unless this is full size, it's a very small full size for a face wash. I mean, my face washes are like much bigger, and they last a long time. But this might last a month if I use minimal amounts of it, and I probably will use this at nighttime and then just do a regular wash in the morning. But anyways, that is the entire box, you guys. Oh, what? How much was that? Did I say $45? No, I didn't. $45 for this? It's really tiny. Seems like a lot of money. Yeah, I would never pay $45 for this tiny little thing. 36 milliliters, 1.2 fluid ounces, $45. Like, this thing better be the most amazing face cleaner ever. But anyways, you guys, here's the box total. Let me know what you thought of it. Do you guys get Glossybox? Do you enjoy Glossybox? What is one of your holy grail items that you found? This was my very first Glossybox, and actually I'm the most excited about this, which I can't even open because I'm super special and I don't have anything next to me that can open it. And this smells like honey. Straight up honey. And this is really tiny. I'm disappointed in that. But I am super excited for this pimple thingamabobber and this roller here to press serums into the skin. That one's really exciting. But that is all I have. Thank you so much, Glossybox, for sending me this. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!